Part B of this question reads, explain 6 contents of an annual return made by the cooperative societies in your country. Contents of an annual return. Contents of an annual return made by cooperative societies. One is financial statements. Financial statements. Number 2 is the membership details. Number 3, summary of activities. Number 4, compliance with cooperative laws. Then we have what we call governance structure. We can even add the auditors' reports. The auditors' report may also be part of the annual return made by cooperative societies. Number 1, financial statements. Number 2, I've said membership details. Financial statements, membership details. We have summary of activities, could also be part of this report, this return, summary. Summary of the activities of the cooperative, compliance with cooperative laws, compliance with cooperative laws. The governance structure may be part of the return. Governance structure and auditors report or reports. Financial statements, you all know financial statements. The annual return includes financial statements of the cooperative society, including the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flows, and so on. Such statements provide an overview of the society's financial performance and financial position. Number 2, membership details. The annual return includes information about the society's membership, including the number of members, their names, their addresses, shareholding, and also contributions. The annual return may also have a summary of activities, summary of the society's activities during the reporting period, and it may include details of the projects undertaken, the initiatives implemented, and achievements during that financial year. Compliance with cooperative societies. The annual return may also have details on the compliance with the society's compliance with cooperative rules. The return confirms the cooperative society's compliance with cooperative rules and regulations, and it demonstrates adherence to legal requirements, including filing of reports, maintenance of records, and also fulfillment of statutory obligations. Compliance with cooperative laws, because cooperative societies operate within a certain legal environment where they are required to comply with the rules in relation to cooperative societies. Then the annual return may also have a governance structure. The return includes information about the governance structure of the cooperative society, and that may include details of board of directors, management team, and any changes in leadership or composition of the society's governing body. Then lastly, we have the auditor's report. The return may include an auditor's report providing an independent assessment of the cooperative society's financial statements and the overall financial health. And the auditor's reports candidates adds credibility to the financial information presented in the annual return. So these are 6 contents. Candidates were to give 5, were to give 6. These are 6 contents: financial statements, membership details, summary of activities, compliance with cooperative societies, governance structure, and auditor's report. 6. These are 6 contents, but I see the examiner awarded 5 marks. The examiner awarded 5 marks for the 6 contents.